Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Yeah, zoom out one more time. Mm, Go from 1 hour back down again one more time. We had some technical difficulties. We'll talk about it later. Yeah, that's cool. So the cool thing was, yeah, I was already seeing that larger, definitely that larger break situation that's happening right now. But I just like to wait till about five p.m. to start trading. So I like the options too right now. So it's like I do see the push phase. So if it does start exhausting, like we're already seeing this exhausting, go back down to the 15. And 15, we're getting a little exhaustion. Maybe even give that shit. Maybe definitely probably give that the rest of the 30-minute candle type shit, to do whatever the fuck it's gonna do to give us our actual range. But I definitely see that. I see the 5 minute situation. It could happen really fast too. What was the? Let me see. It says 93 to 96. What is that? 30 pips? Did you say is that 30 pips? Oh, is that 10 pips from the break of the top order block to the next line? Is that 10, 12, 20? Wow. Okay. Yeah. Mhm. Mm. Mm. Yeah. I feel that. I feel that. I like how that other one has continued. You want that? Yeah. Yeah, like that would have been like you're already entered right now. So what I noticed was with our methodology and everything, when like there's a level of validity when you know what I mean, when the level's breaking, and there's a level of invalidity, and so based off of us doing buy stops and sell stops for the most part too, but just by sheer fucking opportunity of us being pushed in the trade, we're probably pushed into a few pips in profit already with a lower time frame level to say, hey, if this level was broken, it's a wrap. So that would have already been the entry right there, and we would be waiting. So like I wouldn't force an immediate trade right now to catch that, especially now that's in like a lower time frame push phase. Probably let that exhaust a little bit, but yeah, that would have probably already been like, mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, yeah. No, that's solid though. I like that a lot though. That was real good, especially because it was like, yeah, bet break, order block below it for continuation break, stop loss off been managed. You know what I mean? So now we're just running. Let's just run this as a paper trade, obviously as it is now. Stop loss been managed. You feel me? Lowered immediately. Great. And now now you're literally just waiting for it to pay you or come back. You know what I mean? And it doesn't even have to pay you the whole thing, but like at least like 10, like 10 pips is definitely considerable to be like shit. Like if I threw enough, I realize if we throw enough on there, like what's the stop loss on there right now? So if the stop loss is 5, started at 10. If you threw a 1% risk, hypothetically, if you threw the 1% risk with the 10 pips, you already cut that in half. You're only risking half percent. You feel me? And I probably would have cut that right there. Fuck it. Yeah, I was waiting for that comeback. We gotta figure this. We gotta figure this shit out though, cause MetaTrader. How you throwing it? You just throwing it, breaking. I'm throwing it to the upside or downside. 9291. This is actually good to witness right here. Heavily. What's the stop? 7? Okay, okay. Yeah, you already see where the, even on that 15-minute time frame, you see where the entry was at. Yeah. Like the entry was probably like 5 pips up there. I'm fucking hungry. No, I like that. Honestly, we'll keep managing that. We'll finish up. We'll finish up in a second. I was definitely here. Let me do a little analysis. Well, actually, we gotta manage yours real quick. Let's manage yours. Go back to that 15. Go to the 15 real quick, and then yeah, let me see. Scroll, scrunch it in just a little bit. Yeah, scrunch it in. You know what I'm talking about? Like from the bottom, scrunch it in. Like bring it in a little bit. Nah, at the bottom, at the bottom scales, bring those in. Yeah, just now widen it out a little bit slowly. Slowly. All right, all right, all right, all right. Bet. Yeah. So I would see honestly. What happened? Facts. Yeah, let's manage that right now. I think really do that shit. Let me see. Hmm. Shit. That is honestly though, fuck. I'm not even beefing. No FOMO for sure not. But damn, that entry probably the entry an hour ago with the break of that 1 hour support Wick Fillington definitely was. And I saw it, but I was like, nah, I'm not gonna trade till about 5. And 20 pips already done. Fucking whore. Huh? Man, I try not to, bro. It's really like I saw the pattern. Not even necessarily. I'm not gonna just go and say a pattern. I just saw that nigga after work or while I'm at work from any time between like 3 and 5. The same order block that I was taking was false breaking before 5 o'clock, like for like multiple days in a row. So I figured, okay, not necessarily on some limitation shit, but if I see that the order block that is created before the close and a little bit during the open is not really hasn't been being fully broken, it's just been played at, it hasn't been fully broken in a number of times that I've tried to take it before 5 o'clock. And then when I noticed 5 o'clock hits, same order block that I was already taking, took it 2-3 times, false broke every time, and then 5 o'clock hit, it gone for 25, 30, 50, whatever. I'm like, okay, bet I'll just wait for 5 then. That's not a problem. And that was my thinking. But fuck it, you're right. You know what I mean? If it's doing it, it's doing it. There ain't no reason to argue with it. But so I agree with you. I agree with you. Yeah, that was it right there. I actually really fuck. I feel fine. But it's like, damn. I feel fine. Like I need you to know, I do feel okay. But that was yeah. All of my thinking led to that trade being the perfect one. There was no top wick on the fucking what is that 1900? What is that 7 New York 4 on the 4 o'clock fucking one that 1 hour count? There was no top wick. There would have been no reason for to cut partials, to take it 5 times. None of that. It would have been took up 10, retrace up 20. What's up? Shit. Say less. Clear ass range too. All the parameters. Clear ass range. For first push was 14 pips. That's what's up. Yeah, I would just. I hear everything you're saying. I would not to wait for like I'm not waiting for no time type shit right now. I'm kind of just waiting for like structure. So like I see structure, on this 15-minute candle, 2 minutes in, giving us potential support vibes, and then if that support can definitely validate itself, that resistance 15-minute time frame at obviously that it just created, the lower high, 1794.60. I would love potential buys to go back above there. That would be pretty fire. Actually, you know what? I had a little negative feeling in me, but I don't have it no more. It's gone. It's gone. Because this shit's gonna be fun. Um, let's fucking go. Ooh, okay. You're still managing, right? Cool, cool, cool. I know you see tapped in for buy. Oh, let me go to your shit. Let me see. Oh, that's disrespectful. I ain't gonna cap. Wait, what about 3 minute? Oh yeah, I see. What's hold on? Go to what's spread at right now? I could check. Let me see. Hmm. Yeah, man, we was chilling. Mm-hmm. 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 Why'd you feel like you decided to trade it? Mm-hmm. Right. Right. No, that's what I'm saying. I feel like you know, like even the entry that you got, I feel like it was just not as necessary. You know what I mean? We saw the play happen, and then you looked for entries, but it already happened. You know? Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah, because I mean, the way I'm looking at like the 30 minute is pretty disgusting. I mean, respectfully. I mean, obviously from the 4 hour down, it's pretty disgusting. Um, yeah, and as I'm chilling on the 30 minute, there's not really like the necessary structure that I would want to trade. There's not even necessarily a 30 minute support or 30 minute resistance to potentially take plays off of. It's just red candles, and then you'll go down to the 15 and you see structure and there's potential there. But by the time the 15 minute structure validates itself, the 30 minute structure would have created something as well. So it's like now it really is kind of like I feel like we will get. So what you lose 1%? Well, we gonna get that back, but let's definitely wait for structure to do what it got to do, and we could like you could go somewhere like you can go inside and shit, but like wait for structure a little bit. Okay, okay. Yeah. Mhm. 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 Yeah, low key. Look, so you're not in the trades right now, right? Right, right, right. So here, I want to share my screen, and I want us to take a second. Here, I'm gonna share it real quick. Actually, here, let's. I'm gonna end this. I'm gonna end this, and send you one more link. All right. Bet. Yo. Alright, bet. Alright, you see my screen? Alright. So I feel like everything valid, but from a brother to brother trader conversation, right? Very trader conversation. I want us to have this like obviously, it's good for us to learn from this shit because I want to learn from this shit too. So the first shit that I saw on the 1 hour definitely was obviously this very clear support, and then the same thing, what I'm saying, on the 30 minute. Now, when we started analyzing, which was great, I think this break was already in play, which was totally fine or something like that. Like I said, which is great, what I'm saying. After the fact that this 30 minute was broken, there wasn't really other 30 minute structure to play off of until it created it. And but what happened was I feel like we went down, to a 5 minute time frame to find a 5 minute order block to continue the situation. And I feel like the entries were a little bit late at some point. The buys, yeah, fluky for sure. Fluky buys, everything like that. But even those buys came from, a 5 minute order block, which was, we know if the order flow is, light and things like that in Q4 and the volume is slow, then okay. Okay. Well, yeah, you feel me? They're really like the 15. Yeah, cause I really only confidently see good buys above this bitch. You know what I'm saying, to go wherever it wants to go up there, and obviously, whatever potential continuation sells and shit, if that's what it wants to do. But as of now, I don't see it. Yeah. Where was the? So it was basically just break of the pretty much the 5 minute highs, right? Yeah. 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 Totally fine. Totally fine. Totally fine. Wait, you already took it? Oh. Mm. Are we talking sales below, buys above? Yeah, I'll tell you what. I got papers. Papers right there. Bang. What time is it? Damn, bro. Damn, bro. Damn. It's all good. Respect. Respect. See, that's tough. Yeah, I was about to say that is tough to be that like, one pip. What the fuck? Mm. Yeah, that it's over. It's over. Oh, fat bullet's puss. Mm-hmm. That's a fact. Just aggressively, huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah, when it's playing. Mm-hmm. 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 Hella validating. So you still in, yeah? Oh. My bad. My bad. No, facts, 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 facts. Yeah, that's disgusting. Mm. Quick tag, 1 minute tag. Yeah, nah. Exactly. Exactly. I love the man. Yeah, shit been so bad. Mhm. Nah, I respect it. I respect it. Nah, just peep that. Just do it with me. Just peep that 1 hour. Peep that motherfucking 1 hour Wick Fillington, and just know that truthfully, that image that was the move. Um, that covered all this. Everything else definitely force this, force that. Everything valid, but that right there, as I'm looking at the 1 hour and I see that support and I see the break for the Wickfield and I see it happening, I'm like, that was it right there. I'm gonna remember that image because that was facts. Everything else was still valid, but like that was key right there. That shit was crazy. Mm. Look good, look good. Nah, respectfully, respectfully. I'm starving, so meeting controls. What is this? Where you at? Oh, you kind of disappeared. Hold up. It just says you. It just says your name. Hmm. All right. Wait, hold on. Let me see if I could bring this up bigger. You're like all the way hidden. I think I'm still sharing my screen. I just there it goes. You see me? Nah, yeah, bro. Nah, I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm with you. Um, Part of just like the overall December shit though, I really like it just because obviously we're on demo accounts. You know what I mean? So it's okay to do what we do, but keep noticing the shit that we're going through. So I don't know. Take whatever you did get from it. If it was nigga straight up nigga Q4 no liquidity, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. I bet then your only lesson is like nigga I'm gonna avoid certain things and that's fine. But not having the negative pressure on yourself while we're just literally just going through the motions. You know what I mean? Not in a negative way or positive way, but like we're going through the motions to do an analysis to see price action X, Y, and Z. So it's like I take the benefit of like nigga everything you analyze, everything we analyze. No, I love it. It was facts. You feel me? Valid. The order block break, order block break, order block break, all the way down. It happened continuously. The little whatever happened, I'm not chalking that up to nothing too bad. You know what I mean? And if it just wants to be chalked up to nigga Q4 X, Y, and Z, then let's chalk it up to that. But I definitely want us to notice like what track we're on though with that overall analysis. That was beautiful. Um, in hindsight and everything, it was still beautiful. And so the experience and the interactions with it obviously wasn't as beautiful as we wanted to, and that's where we're just gonna get a little bit more aligned with however we see fit. So I don't know. That shit looked good though. I'm happy we did it. Market's always in motion, so we good. Yeah, it's really all just preparation, bro. Cause like nigga, we're gonna still take. They might not be exactly like this, but we'll still have days like this, even January, February, March, December. You know what I mean? Like we're gonna have still days like this. So I just want us to like, kind of prepare for it. You know? Mhm. 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 You know what I think, bro? You know what's crazy? Hold on, before you say that, I was watching some videos, and the niggas was describing gold's uh, spread as like 1, 2, and 3, and then this nigga Raja's last shit, that nigga was like, this was like yesterday too, not yesterday. This was like last week. He was trading in the spread. He was like, oh look, like the spread is 2 pips. When I looked at mine and it said 2.0 or whatever, so I think it's only like, I think I know you've been getting fucked, but like I think it's only like when it says like 14, it's like 1.4. Like when it says like 2, it's like, or 2.0, it's like 2 pips, stop 2 pip spread. I think that's what I'm saying. I don't know, but but I don't. But if it was 20 though, if it was 20, that would be even further, and that wouldn't make no sense either though. You know what I mean? 20, like, yeah, it's an amount of pips. So like the whole, when it says like two numbers, it's the first number is the whole number, the second number is typically the decimal. I also feel like the trading view and the MetaTrader are slightly different because the trading view liquidity provider is different than the broker's liquidity provider, if that makes sense. And like all liquidity providers technically are slightly different, even though it's one market, they're slightly different. And liquidity providers are what provides the broker whatever they do, and the broker makes money off of spread and swaps and commissions and stuff like that. And so, yeah, man, I don't know. I'm just learning these things right there with you, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So it's like, if you put your, I don't know. Like usually, like when, huh? Because when you enter a trade, whatever your lot size is, it's usually some decent percentage of that lot size. So like, as soon as you enter the trade, no movement. As soon as you enter the trade, like you're probably down like a pip or two in profit type shit, and that's usually what the lot size is. Was it was the buy that you were talking about, the sell. Wait, stop loss. At what? Mm. On that one, how many pips is that? Okay. Oh, got you. No. You didn't. Did you enter? Fuck the buy that got triggered. Fuck that. Not talking about that one. For all every single. No, I know. That's what I was just saying. For every sale that you entered, were those buy stop, sell stops, or market executions? All right. So look, that's what I'm saying. I'm honestly right there with you. You feel me? Like, I think the reason why market execution was mentioned at one point was if obviously like we were exactly locked in, um, and trying to avoid that whole tagging in, tagging out, you know what I mean, situation. That's why I brought the whole market execution up. But in my opinion, I'm right there with you in terms of nigga. I would rather just have a buy stop, sell stop at my perfect location. The worst case scenario, I get tagged in a pip or two early. So the only thing I could do is maybe drop it down a pip or two, but it's still probably gonna happen in some way, shape, or form. So it's really just like wait for it to really push through, and manage from there for real, for real. But still buy stop, sell stop. So like I don't know. I'm more with the buy stop sell stop because I feel like you have more control over exactly where you wanted your entry, and you're able to deal with what the market does from that point. Because I know if it, yeah, and I like that. I like that a lot. So like I don't know if if you went on your chart right now, like I'm on my chart right now, and you went, you know, to the 30-minute, 15-minute, and just stopped right there and marked out the structural things, you would put your price exactly where you want your entry at on the two order block breaks on the 15-minute time frame, the first one and the second one. Perfect. Boom. And then just asking yourself, were your entries right there? If they were, if they fucking were, both of them, great. Number one. Number two, what happened? Was it wiki? Was it this? Was it that? Was it play around? Was it this, that, and third? Whatever it was. And then, mm, 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 yeah, swallow. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Mm, mm, mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Nah, for real. Fuck that. Yeah. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Yeah. Hey, whoa. Oh. Yeah, I was about to say, nigga, I'm hungry. Nigga, I'm about to go make some food. Fuck yeah, what, nigga? Oh, hell yeah. Yeah.